Look at what happened. It just took my stop loss by 5 paise, just 5 paise, and then you see what happened all the way up. It's just one-sided momentum. So both trades literally like ditto it is actually. What same thing happened. Good morning, all. Today is 18th March. Time is around 9:46. Yeah, market opened slightly higher and it's trying to sustain there. Currently trading above the VWAP. Uh, yeah, so I'm currently looking for a long opportunity. There was actually one opportunity when there was a VWAP bounce. Uh, Anyway, I will update once I find some. Okay. Yeah. All right. Time is around 10:22. I think we might get an entry here. There was a strong close above the VWAP and just took a support from the VWAP and trying to close above the first deviation. Um, I'm looking at 23,600 call option. Let's see. Uh, yeah, I can see some aggression from the buyer side actually. Yeah. Yeah, I'm planning for an entry. Just let it give a dip. Just waiting for it. Okay, let me add the positions. Okay. Hmm. All right, I'm in. Let me quickly add my Cecil. What is it? Okay. Okay, and now let me add the target as well. Okay. So, okay. So target and the stop losses in the system. Let's see. Okay, there's some push coming in. So yeah, this is the okay. This is the entry. Right above this candle, and just below the candle by 10 paise would be the stop loss. And yeah, what is it like 212, 312.15. That's my target. Yeah, let's see. So I got an average, I think. Oh, how much? 298.47. That's the average I got. Let's see. Anyway, yeah, and I'm currently going through a losing streak. Last 2 days, there were like four trades, and all of them were like hassles. So yeah, that's a little bit of kind of back of the mind. You feel it, yeah, this trade. But yeah, what to do? You can't be kind of emotional thinking about the past trades, whether it's a TP or SL, just a part of the system. I know as per my system, I may go up to like what 9 hour drawdown, which is like nine back to back SLs can come. That's when you have data. I mean, you know like what is the pattern, right? So you don't have to worry about it. And I also one more thing. Okay, that's a very good push. 11,000. Okay. Yeah, and that's a good push actually. And also one more thing, I usually, I have developed a system where I review the trades in batches of 20. So in the middle, there is no point of going and checking the system and what happens. Anyway, this week is like there's so much of volatility spikes because of the war and the geopolitical issues. So yeah, it happens every time. The market won't be same. It will be evolving. So we will have to adapt. And first of all, we'll have to observe, right? Let's see how it goes. If you look at it now, right, it was showing me like 1 hour. I mean, what was around 11,000 profit, and then suddenly came back. Now it's hovering around the uh, entry price almost. Oh god. Okay, it's slightly going down now. Uh, that's fine. Let's see. What will happen if I'm losing? I'll lose another 11K. I'll wait because I know this was taken as per the setup. So I can wait. There's no need of panicking in between. All right. Let it run anyway. Yeah, talking about the losing streak. Yeah, that's something which comes with each system. You have to understand what is the win rate of your system, and if you back test it well, and also if you journal it well, you will have the data to see like what is the performance, where is it, kind of show how bad the drawdown is going to be. So you will be prepared, even if it is a losing streak, how to what extent you can go. Right. Then you can also you have to have a check like whether it is just the variance or is it you messing it up. That's another thing. But luckily it was not me this time because I've taken all the trades uh, just as per the system. So yeah, so that's something where you will feel a guilt if you actually messed it up from your end, like you go over trading or oversizing and go outside your strategy. Those things will feel you kind of will make you feel all those guilty. Will push you into those sort of a mindset. Yeah, so let's see how that goes, right? Let it anyway, let it run anyway. Still around the entry price. Okay, it's coming down to 93, 94. My stop loss is 290.55. So 290.55 is the stop loss. It's trying to, okay, maybe 296 and 295. Okay, still hovering over there. This candle is not looking that good. It has closed. I mean, it has come down all the previous 405 candles. It's almost near the stop loss. 292.2 now. 291, 291.8, 292. Will it hit? Will it hit the stop loss? Let's see. It has closed. Okay, it is 293. It's trying to go up. So 92.3. It is still around my stop loss level. Uh, can it give a bounce or it's 292, 292, 291.2, 291, 290.4, 290.4. All right, the stop loss is triggered, and then it has given a bounce from exactly from that level. So 12,700. I think it was 290.4. It went to 290.4. My stop loss was at 290.55. So I'm 15 paise down. All right, you can't do much about it. Right. It did a flip exactly to the level. Now we never know. It can go up. It's up. It's going up actually. Oh, that's crazy. Anyway, that's fine. It's just, as long as we are out now anyway, because we have to respect the stop loss. There's no other go. What I will do, I'll quickly journal and come back. Okay, fine. Yeah, this is what happened with the last trade. You see, just give a dip to the stop loss exactly by 15 paise, and then look at what happened from there. It went on, went on, went on, and hit my target. That's what these sort of days, right? It's really it's just a matter of luck. That's it. Nothing much. All right. I'll update if I find another trade anyway. Okay. Yeah. I'm seeing another opportunity here. Time is around 11:19. It's trying to give a bounce of the second deviation from the VWAP. Looking at the same strike 23,700. Uh, I'll just try to position it. Uh, all right. I'm in now. Let me add my stop loss for it. It's mm, um, okay. All right, and let me check the target as well. It's 96.1. Okay. All right, the target and the stop loss now are in system. Let me change the option in one sec. 23,700. All right, this here it is. Okay, the entries it's okay. Uh, Now let the candle low plus 10 paise. That is the logic for the stop loss. And two times my risk will be my target. I think target is 296.10. All right. Yeah, this will be my last trade for the day. I usually take only two trades. And yeah, the losing streak still continues, even the last trade. Unfortunately, it took my SL and it took the SL and then nicely went to the target and even further. Yeah, it's it's still kind of, yeah, continuing in the losing streak, basically. Yeah. And I think this month I'm turning negative for this month because currently I'm going through a drawdown. So yeah, let's see how it because still I think there's like 5 or 6, 7 trading days left for this month. Let's see how that goes. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Let's see how this trade goes so first. Usually, right, when we go through these sort of losing streak back to back sells, we tend to break our rules. I used to do a lot of those things actually. I mean, in my past, right, I used to mess up things like I'll go on tilt and do n number of trades. It will be totally a rubbish one. There is no meaning. So it took me some time to come out of it, and eventually, then I realized we just need to follow our system. Doesn't matter what. Okay, now see, it's coming down. Stop loss. It came down almost to the stop loss level. Uh, SL is 271.95. Okay. I thought it hit. No, no. Okay. In there, it is slightly different. That's fine. Okay. It's time to give a bounce of that level. Mm, okay. I use a EMA actually, 13 period moving average to gauge the, direction and momentum from the price action perspective. It gives me a better, it can be anything. You can use even 5 or 8 or 9, doesn't matter what number you're using. Like it can be anything. I don't use them particularly to decide, I mean, determine my entries. I just keep them to know whether the momentum is happening or not. Usually, if prices keep, sustaining above it, I assume it is good for that particular direction. Okay, so it's trying to come back. All right, it's around the entry price, back to positive, slight positive. Okay. Almost went to the stop loss actually. For a moment, I thought, yeah, that's even a stop loss. We never know, right? Good days or bad days or average days. Uh, Usually, but talking about those numbers, I have a particular my system, right? I have around 50% accuracy, which means most of my typical days would be something like one win and a one loss kind of. So it will be like around 1 hour by closing. Usually that's how I have seen in my past data. And I've not seen back to back, SL days where I'm continuously hit my two SLs together. But last 2 days, it was back to back complete SLs, and even the first trade for today as well. That even is an SL. So that's like what, five SLs in a row. That's rare usually, but what to say? This can happen. It's all about, when you deal with a 50 percentage win rate, these sort of drawdowns, can happen. Uh, yeah, we'll have to cop up with it. Whatever, see, that's what I have set up my risk management in such a way that I don't risk more than 2 percentage per trade as my risk basically. So typically it is like 2 percentage risk and 4 percentage reward max uh, from each trade. So in a very bad day, I tend to lose around 4 percentage um, per day actually, right? So that's how I have designed my system. I'm trying to follow that same system for quite some time now. All right. Still hovering around the same entry price. But I think there's some sort of an aggression. Buyers are good. I mean, good volumes of good buying delta is there. Uh, so it can go up potentially. The question is when. And that's the problem. We'll have to actually, leave it to the market when they go planning to go. Is it with us or without us? Right. Okay, it is coming down again. It is coming down. So our SL is around 271.95. That's where I've kept the SL. Currently, the price is 274, 275. Okay, just trying to bounce off it. Okay, two times it has come down to 270 to 271 levels, and from there it has bounced. Again, trying to, trade above that 13 period moving average, which is good simple. Whenever the price is closed above 13 EMA, it tend to continue in that direction, basically. So we will see how that goes. Mm, it's just a matter of some time. We'll have to wait and see. Or we don't have to do much anyway. We just need to wait and see where the trade is going. Actions are already taken. The exit points are defined, and it's there in the system. So yeah, yeah. Currently, we are slight. We are in slight profit, around 6,000, 7,000. Mm, okay, that's a good close. It's 272, 272.8. Uh, okay, it's bouncing from there. Last time also it gave a bounce. Let's see. Okay, is coming down again. 273, 273.8, 273.1, 271.95 is the stop loss. Oh god, 271.85. 270. Oh, that was like 271.85. And then you see that actually it took the SL and then bouncing it. It was just 5 paise. Mm. Oh, and see that's going up. All right. That's two SLs for the day and probably, done for the day. Yeah, not probably. I'm done for the day. I'll just log it. I'll do a quick journal of it actually. What to do sometimes. Yeah. And still the losing streak is continuing. Yeah. I was expecting a push up from here, but unfortunately, oh, is it happening now? What to say? Anyway, that's fine. We'll see. Huh? Okay. Yeah, time is around 11:41. I just wanted to show you this. Look at what happened. It just took my stop loss by 5 paise, just 5 paise, and then you see what happened. All the way up. It's just one-sided momentum. So both trades literally like ditto it is actually. What same thing happened. This was like 5 paise, other one was like around 15 paise. I took the SL and went to the target straight away. I was right, context was right, direction was right, but what to do? These sort of days, na, it's really like frustrating. I'll show you the first trade. Look at it. This is what happened. Exactly same. Just kiss the stop loss and then you see what happened. Boom. It went all the way high actually. All right. Yeah. Just trying to be disciplined. I'm not trading today. I'll come back freshly with a new mindset, a fresh mindset tomorrow. Till then, stay calm and safe trade. Huh? Bye bye.